Alveganic. Your health, our joy.
Hello, welcome. In this video you will know the exact dandelion tea recipe that works like magic for treating uric acid problem. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we upload new video.
The ingredients we're gonna need are dandelion. Make sure to wash and keep the dandelion clean. If possible, wash it in distilled water with a little bit of salt soak in it. Now the second ingredient we're gonna need is 1 full ginger rhizome. That one, to make sure you wash it to keep it clean. Dandelion and ginger combined is excellent for treating uric acid. You should give this a try. Now let's begin with the process. We start by cutting off the dandelion into chunks. Whilst cutting the dandelion, let us discuss a few health benefits of the dandelion. Dandelion contains potent antioxidants, and it may also help fight inflammation. Dandelion also aids in controlling blood sugar levels, and it also helps lower blood pressure. It is an excellent source for losing weight. Now start by cutting the ginger also into chunks without removing the outer scale. Now let us also discuss a few health benefits of ginger. Ginger serves as an anti-inflammatory, and then it is also beneficial for osteoarthritis and arthritis. Now after cutting all these ingredients together, which is the dandelion and the ginger, carefully transfer them into a blender. After transferring all these ingredients into the blender, add about 1.5 cup of distilled water into the blender. Now cover the blender with its lid and put it on the blender motor. Blend this whole mixture for about 2 minutes. This may probably depend on the speed or torque of your blender. After blending, carefully switch off the blender. Now, using a sieve and a bowl, carefully transfer the blended mixture into the bowl by sieving it through. With the help of a spoon, press the dandelion and ginger extracts to get the liquid extract from it. Now transfer this liquid extract of the dandelion and the ginger into a glass cup or any cup of your choice. After you have transferred this into the glass, carefully add warm water to the level that you want. This is to keep the whole mixture warm. Drink this on an empty stomach early in the morning, and then the same in the night or late in the evening. But remember to keep it always warm. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly remember to hit on the subscribe button, like and share with others. We appreciate your time.